Setting up your Spypoint FLEX M camera is straightforward when you follow these essential steps. We'll walk through each component and activation process to get your camera operational quickly. First, download the Spypoint app from your device's app store and create an account at spypoint.com. You'll need these credentials for the activation process, so keep them handy. Install your power source, either 8AA lithium batteries for maximum longevity or the Spypoint LIE22 rechargeable battery pack for convenience. Insert a Class 10 micro SD card with capacity between 2 and 512 gigabytes for photo storage. Attach the optimized antenna by screwing it onto the camera. This antenna is designed for enhanced cellular connectivity and is crucial for reliable photo transmission. Open the Spypoint app and log in with your account. Tap the plus button to add a camera, select the Flex M model, then scan the barcode or enter the SIM number found inside the battery compartment. Follow the on-screen activation prompts to complete the process. Turn the camera on and format the SD card by pressing and holding the Format button for 5 seconds. The micro SD light will blink green during formatting and turn solid green when complete. Your Spypoint FLEX M is now ready for field deployment. With your Spypoint FLEX M activated, the next step is proper field installation. Mounting location and positioning are critical for optimal performance. Mount your camera securely using a proper bracket system. The ideal height is 30 to 48 inches off the ground, positioned 15 to 20 feet from your target area. Once mounted, test the cellular signal strength using the built-in test button. Strong connectivity ensures reliable image transmission. Optimize your camera settings based on your specific environment. Adjust trigger speed and motion sensitivity to match your monitoring needs while minimizing false triggers. For maximum performance, use lithium batteries, which provide significantly longer life than alkaline batteries. Regular maintenance includes formatting the SD card and keeping firmware updated. Regularly format your SD card to prevent storage issues and ensure optimal performance. The camera includes a dedicated format button for easy maintenance. The FLEX M's dual SIM technology automatically connects to the strongest available cellular network, ensuring reliable connectivity. Avoid angling the camera down too much to maximize detection range and flash effectiveness.